I know everyone wants you to conform, join the collective, and lose your individualism. The world is moving from a knowledge-based economy to a wisdom-based economy. Are you ready for this shift in this new place of work? Mainstream education is not necessarily the answer. I know there are many media articles warning and highlighting that we have about 150,000 students that couldn't find space in traditional higher education institutions. And with that comes immense pressure. Pressure that says the only way forward is mainstream education. I personally do not believe that this is the only way. In fact, I believe alternative pathways are not just helpful, but they've sort of become very essential. Across the world today, we are facing profound leadership crisis. We are facing a growing talent crisis. We are facing a crisis of meaning, purpose, and inner capacity. And this sort of forces us to ask an honest question. If so many leaders and professionals have passed through mainstream institutions within their education, then why are we still sitting with these global crises that absolutely pesters us? Was knowledge alone enough? At Pentagon, we believe that the future of leadership development must go far beyond mere informational knowledge transfer. Your first choice should be an environment where you can engage in applied leadership and management. Applied leadership and management development, not theory alone, not certificates alone, but development that shapes you as a human being. An environment where we do not only just transfer knowledge, but a professional environment where we help you cultivate your emotional resilience, spiritual and inner resilience, self-awareness, with purpose alignment and a mature identity, meaning to be comfortable in your own skin. Because sustainable leadership is not built only in the mind, it is formed in the heart, the psyche, and within the soul. Leaders who can think clearly, leaders who can feel deeply, leaders who can stand firmly and steadily in complexity and ambiguity, leaders who can lead with wisdom. If you're seeking more than just a qualification, if you're seeking real growth, if you are ready to become the kind of employee or leader the world is truly longing for, then perhaps it is time to consider a different path. Maybe a deeper path, maybe a wiser path. Pentagon is offering you that path. We offer applied leadership development, human development practices, all culminating into a wisdom in action. Be wise and contact the Pentagon Leadership and Management Development Foundation today.